Hello, my dear friends. Now, this is Dr. Jagdish Induru will be telling you about the employability. So, what is employability? You may be all thinking that employability is only the term which will be applicable to only person they are seeking the job. Is it correct? Take for a minute and think that anything else is present in the terminology of employability. Have a pause and think about it. Okay. So if you have got the answer, it is okay. Let me say. So what is employability? Employability is the capacity to contribute in a particular situation to get the positive outcome of the task handled to achieve the beneficial effect. Say for example, if we are not exposed to cooking and we are directly entering into the kitchen, we can very well say that I am not able to cook the food perfectly, or any task which I am not going to exposed previously, which I am going to do now, it may not be the perfect. It means that I don't have any capacity to contribute in that situation to get the positive outcome. It means the effect which is going to come is not going to be beneficial. It means the employability concept will be applicable not only in the employment or any facet of our life. This we need to understand. I hope now you might have been clarified with the employability concept. Now, how to achieve this employability concept understood better? This can be achieved by the contribution. So now we will look into the who can contribute you can try for the contribution. The contribution can be tried by a job seeker to get an employment, a person who is holding already a job, he want to achieve a promotion, get a bonus or a better increment, or any person he want to act as a change agent in the society or a office or in the home for the continuous improvement at the personal life or professional life. Or a person he is still now is a follower, he want to become a leader. Or a person he is a dreamer, he want to convert himself into a achiever. In all the cases, we can try for a contribution. It means a contribution is a result-oriented effort which produces a positive impact to the system. Because of that impact, the contribution makes some difference to the person and the situation and make that particular person employable. Now we come to a concept of contributor. Contributor is a person, he is inclined to think, speak and act in a positive manner to achieve the beneficial effect. We are taking three concepts. The person has to have a clarity in the thought, and what he is thinking he is expressing at the same time. In the both the way he is synchronously acting. Now you may be understood the concept of the contribution.